How to remove a green screen from video using Canva. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Launch your Canva application. Go to create a design. Select a format. Go to gallery. From there, select a green screen video. Then tap on the video and then you will find an option to remove background in this Magic Studio where you have to use the premium version. If you are using premium version, you can just go tap on this background remover and your background or green screen will be removed. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.